Stop saying, "My job is safe." It's not. AI is not coming. It's already here. It's writing emails, it's analysing contracts, it's generating code, it's replacing junior employees, quietly. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The first wave of AI didn't eliminate jobs, it eliminated leverage. The second wave, that's different. Today, I'm going to show you which jobs are actually at risk, why high income doesn't mean protection, and how the wealthy are positioning themselves right now. Because this isn't about fear, it's about ownership. Most people think automation kills factory jobs. That was 2005. AI doesn't attack manual labour first, it attacks repeatable thinking. If your job includes reports, research, customer emails, scheduling, data analysis, design drafts, copywriting, legal templates, AI can already assist it. And once it assists it, it reduces the number of humans needed. Companies don't need 10 analysts, they need 3 analysts using AI. They don't need 5 junior lawyers, they need 2 seniors with AI tools. That's the shift. AI doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be cheaper and faster and good enough. Now here's the real problem. You don't lose your job overnight, you lose your negotiating power. Salaries stagnate, promotions slow down, competition increases. That's how disruption really works. Quietly. Let's be precise. High repetition equals high risk. Entry-level white-collar roles, very high risk. Administrative assistants, junior marketers, basic programmers, support staff, paralegals, translators, content writers. But here's the twist. Even high-income professionals are exposed. Radiologists, financial analysts, consultants, developers. AI doesn't need to replace 100% of the job. It just needs to replace 30%. And when productivity doubles, headcount drops. This is not theory, it's already happening. And the people most shocked by it are the ones who thought, "I studied, I did everything right." That formula worked in the industrial age, but we are in the leverage age now. Previous technological revolutions replaced physical effort. This one replaces cognitive effort. That's new. For the first time in history, thinking is scalable. One AI model can serve millions, one human cannot, and companies are profit-driven. If AI increases margins by 20%, it gets adopted. Not because it's evil, because it's efficient. This is why the gap will widen. The people who use AI multiply their output. The people who compete with AI lose pricing power, and that creates a split. Operators and owners. Here's what wealthy individuals are not doing. They're not panicking, they're investing. In AI companies, in AI infrastructure, in data, in platforms, in distribution. They don't ask, "Will AI take my job?" They ask, "How can AI increase my leverage?" Because leverage is the game. If AI helps you produce more, reach more people, automate systems, lower costs, scale content, it becomes a multiplier. The rich don't compete with machines, they own them, or they use them. So what should you do? First, stop defining yourself by your job title. Define yourself by value creation. Second, learn to use AI tools aggressively, not casually, deeply. If AI can, draft, analyze, summarize, design, optimize, you should know how. Third, move toward ownership, equity, assets, digital products, investments, platforms. Income from labor is fragile. Income from assets scales. And here's the hard truth. If your entire financial life depends on one employer, you're exposed. AI just increased that risk. The real danger isn't AI, it's denial. Most people wait. They assume stability. They assume the system will protect them. It won't. Every economic shift rewards the adaptable. Every shift punishes complacency. AI is not the enemy. It's a filter. It separates those who upgrade from those who resist. Here's the question. Are you building skills or leverage? Are you trading time or building assets? If this video made you uncomfortable, good. That discomfort is awareness. In my next video, I'll break down exactly how to build leverage in an AI-driven economy. Subscribe. Because the people who understand this early win disproportionately, and the ones who ignore it, they become replaceable. Choose carefully.